In this video I will show you how to set up Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Let's get started. Open up your task manager and go to the Performance tab. If this virtualization option says enabled, skip this part. If it doesn't, you'll need to enable hardware virtualization on your computer from the BIOS. The first step is to restart your computer. Then, while it is booting, you will need to press a key like Escape, Delete, F2, F10 or other multiple times. I suggest looking up how to enter BIOS setup if you have never done it before. Once in the BIOS, you will need to find the virtualization settings. Look for a section like CPU configuration, advanced or advanced settings. The option should be something like Intel VT, Intel VTX, VTD, or Intel Virtualization Technology for Intel processors and AMD-V or SVM mode for AMD processors. Once you have found and enabled the option, you need to save your changes and exit the BIOS. If you've done it successfully, the virtualization option should now say enabled. Now search for memory integrity. Select this and make sure this option is disabled. Next, search for turn Windows features on and off. Look for Hyper-V and make sure it is unchecked. This could take a bit of time and it will require a restart. Now open a browser, search for VirtualBox. Select this link, go to virtualbox.org, press on download, for Windows in my case. While that's downloading, open another tab, look for Kali. Open this, kali.org, go to download, virtual machines, and press this one for VirtualBox. Once the installer has downloaded, run it. Go through the installer. Make sure these two are checked. Press finish. Once the Kali archive has downloaded, extract it. Open the folder and double click this VBox file. This should open VirtualBox with the virtual machine set up like this. Before we start it, go to Settings, System, choose amount of RAM, make sure it is in the green area. Choose processor cores, make sure it is in the green area as well. Go to display, make sure video memory is set to 128 megabytes. Go to network, check this option if it is not checked and select not here and press OK and press start. Our virtual machine is now running. Input credentials Kali. As you can see, we can resize the window to full screen. Guest additions should be pre-installed. We can also test the shared clipboard. And as you can see, we also have a shared clipboard between the host machine and the guest. Well, we have now successfully installed Kali. The first thing you might want to do is update the packages to the latest version. The sudo password is also Kali. And if you had any issues or questions with the setup, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you.